Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're not a babe already, what's good, what's popping? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the family. This is my second year on YouTube and my first year really being active and committed, so this is going to be a long journey, I definitely know, but I'm glad that you guys are here with me. So like I said, if you're not a babe already, wait, like, boo, subscribe. Go ahead, give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below what you guys want to see next, and just let me know how you're doing. This video is going to be a wash day kind of routine, and I'm probably going to do a twist out. So if you want to see how I wash my hair and twist it out, stay tuned for the next clip. All washed. It's definitely still wet, but this is what it looks like. Pretty big. So I'm going to go ahead and put my leave-in conditioner in, and this is also by Creme of Nature, and this is the Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. So you shake to activate it, and I give it a pretty good shake. Take the cap off. So today I'm probably going to give you guys 2 videos. So it's going to be a double banger today. But I have to get this done first. My hair is pretty thick in the middle, so I do go heavy with this, and it's a spray, so it's really easier to control it. And then I'm gonna rub it in.
And massage my scalp. And that's how we look. Pretty, pretty, pretty. My curls are not really curls right now. My curl pattern, I can't really tell you what it is, but it's more of a wave than a curl, but I can define them, which I
This is tea tree oil, and I'm just gonna go and put that where my parting is. And this is just some water and some leave-in conditioner mix since my hair got a little dry. And then I'm gonna take the same product, rake it through my hair, and use prayer hands to make sure I really get the product throughout my hair. And then just a regular brush, well, wig brush, and those curls are just gonna spring. So they look really good, but
And then for the ends, that's all we're gonna do. So there's our first twist. And if you think these are too big for you, you can definitely do smaller twists. But already, like, I can see these are gonna be too big, so I'm gonna do a smaller one. Where's my comb?
All right, babe, so this is the final look. I'm sorry for, you know, the sun. I'm really not sorry. Like, I'm gonna get some good freaking pictures with this lighting, but this is how it turned out. Super fun, cute if you want to wear it like this, and it is a protective style. Like I said, if you're comfortable with wearing your hair out like this, don't mind those. Those are some Walmart items that I might do a haul for, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys follow me on my social medias. They're going to be in the description box, so you guys will see the turnout of this look. It is very pretty, and I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. And if you're not a babe, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, because it's going to be a lot more videos coming, and I promise I'm going to be consistent this year. So I'll see you guys in the next video.